Good morning. We're going to Vegas.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet.
I need to get ready though because I'm always the reason that my family was that not like a southern accent? I don't know, but I'm always the reason that my family is late to the airport. Okay, you guys, so I just brushed my teeth and washed my face and did like the basics, but I really quickly wanted to pop in here and say thank you so much to Believe for sponsoring today's video. So right here I have one of Believe's holiday gift sets and I cannot wait to break into it and show you guys what's inside. So this is what the box looks like. It has a little display of all of the products that the box contains, and then on the back of it, it has every single product that is in the box as well as a little description of what it does. This holiday set retails for $38 US, which is a really good deal considering there's estimated to be around like $54 worth of product in here. I'm just gonna quickly read you guys what products are in this box. It's some of their most popular products. So first is the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. The next product is their Aqua Balm Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm, which I have tried and I actually really love that. The next thing is their Aqua Balm Hydrating Toner. And the last thing is their Moisturizing Eye Balm. Here is what the inside of the box looks like. We've got the moisturizing balm, we've got the Aqua Balm toner, we've got the eye balm, and we've got the Aqua Balm makeup remover. What's crazy to me, you guys, is that this Believe moisturizing balm is literally the same price as the entire boxes, and this is a full size. I personally have really dry skin, especially when it starts to get a little bit colder out, so this moisturizer actually has changed the way that my skin kind of just looks and feels all day long. This is clinically tested to be 26 hours of continuous intense hydration for your skin, so honestly, like all day long through any activities, your face is gonna stay moisturized, and that is super important to me. So here is the product right here. I'm just going to just show you guys the texture of it. It is super thick and almost like whipped. I don't know, the texture feels so nice, and it's like thick when you have it on your fingers, but the second that I like rub my hands together, it just like melts away, and it feels so freaking nice on your skin. It literally feels like a primer mixed with the best moisturizer ever because it leaves your skin feeling super even. My skin just, I don't know, bro. There's something about this. Like, I don't know what they put in here, but girl, makes my skin so smooth. It takes away any dullness or unevenness, and it also just like leaves a nice natural glow to my skin, which obviously everybody loves. Okay, you guys, so that is all that I wanted to say. Literally, look how glowy my skin looks. It's hard to see, but it's just such a natural little glow. I love it. So yeah, that is it for the Believe holiday set. You guys can use the link in my description to go shop Believe products, and I'm super excited for this gift set. I'm actually going insane about it, and I might buy myself and all of my friends these for Christmas. Again, thank you so much to Believe for sponsoring today's video. So you guys just saw me moisturize and all of that, and I'm going to change into my airport outfit because I literally have 20 minutes till we have to leave, and I am stressed out. So this is the airport fit. It's super comfy and easy to like wear because like when it's cold out, when I leave my house this morning, this will be on, but then when I get to Vegas, I can take that off and then it'll be a little bit nicer to wear.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
I can't even walk. Wait, it's raining.
Oh, raining?
I'm gonna die. Uh-oh. Rain, I'm gonna fall. Jesus Christ. I literally can't breathe. We just boarded the plane and Ryan got window seat. I'm kind of pressed about it, but hi, babe. For some reason, I feel like this plane is really spacious. Like,
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
Hey guys, made it to Vegas.
Hey, are we in Nevada check?
That's so pretty, the mountains, guys. It's Grand Canyon. We're in Colorado. Wait, it's the Colorado, the Grand Canyon. I mean, it's the... Oh.
Find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah.
Hey guys, made it to the condo.
Oh my, y'all see that?
Someone recognizes you?
Dude, can we take a selfie with you?
So we're currently walking, we just got our room. I don't really think I said anything in there, but there's some complications because the keys like don't work. So Dave went and he tried to fix the keys, and now we're meeting him to get, I think we're getting pizza from this pizza place that's like here. It's fucking hot out. Love it. Yeah, straight your stuff. Hi Dad, what'd you get?
Oh my god, are you Bailey Dedrick?
No.
Oh, TD.
And he always tells me what to do, and I was trying to order soda and he's like, okay, that's it. And he's literally just bitching at me for no reason.
Bailey's mad at Noah because he didn't let us order any
He cut us
soda,
off.
so we didn't get anything to drink.
Okay, so we're going to the 10th floor of our building.
Right now, y'all.
Look how pretty. Look how freaking pretty.
Hey.
Are you kidding?
I don't show, here, hold on.
Oh my god, dude. Look at the strips over there.
Look. Here's Bailey. The lazy river and it's like...
We just took some Insta pics. You literally can't see us, but currently we are going through all our clothes and everything that we've packed. And we're putting it in those drawers and in our closet. Oh my god.
Chicken ramen. Housekeeping. Sheets.
Hi, thank you.
We got sheets for our bed.
I haven't tried them.
Oh, it's kind of thin.
No, it's just like, I
Okay.
don't really like it.
Yeah. I don't know if I like the neck.
Like, you know, like it would be cute. No, it's cute, right?
Yeah. Yeah, that shit's cute as fuck.
You guys, so we just got to the mall. I don't know what this mall is called, but look how pretty it is. Fashion Show Mall. How you feeling?
Pretty good. Feel a little bit tan, so.
Yeah, we got a little color today out by the pool. Ew, what are you doing? Get your arm out.
What she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to stop her.
So I just wanted to let you know you can just double it. And how would you like to pay? Credit card or cash?
Card.
Everyone's lining up to see her.
Okay guys, so I just made a super impulsive decision and I kind of regret it. Also, Noah has no idea that I just did this and he's probably gonna yell at me or be like, what the fuck?
No, look at your bag, bro. What did you get?
And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's on the
Look at the dog. Look at the dog.
There's crocodiles in there. Hey Mom, there's dolphins in that lake. I want to go swim.
Basically, Noah just keeps walking and we've walked past like 4 restaurants that would have been perfectly fine to eat at. And
For like a food court.
a food court. We got McDonald's and I didn't vlog because I forgot.
Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way you ding it. Give me the